Chapter 4. Exploring Objects in MS Word. In this chapter, you will learn how to insert different objects such as images, shapes, text boxes, and symbols in a Word document. You will also learn about the ways to format different objects. Inserting pictures. Images are the external picture files that can be inserted into Word documents. An image or a picture is defined as a visual representation that supports the learning concepts and helps to convey information. It can be a photograph, a drawing, a diagram, or any other visual element that enhances understanding. Inserting images and pictures makes the document more impressive. There are different ways to add pictures in a Word document. You can insert pictures from your computer or from online sources. Inserting pictures from computer. To insert picture from computer, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open MS Word and place the cursor where you want to insert the picture. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. On the Illustrations group, click on Pictures icon, then this device. Insert Picture dialog box appears. Step 3. Browse your computer for the picture you want to insert and select it. Step 4. Click on the Insert button. The picture will be inserted into your document. Inserting online pictures. You can insert online pictures in your document. To insert online picture, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the cursor where you want to insert the picture. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Pictures. Then Online Pictures command present on the Illustrations group. Step 3. The Online Pictures dialog box appears. In the search field, type the keyword to find relevant pictures from Bing search. Once you find the desired picture, highlight it and click on the Insert button. The picture will be downloaded from the internet and inserted into your Word document. Resizing an image. To increase or decrease the size of image, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the image you want to resize by clicking on it. Step 2. Click on the Picture Format tab that appears on the top menu. Step 3. In the Size group, you will see the height and width fields. Type in the desired size for the image in either of these fields. FactBit, .jpg, .gif, or .png file format is used for inserting images into Word 2019. AI Corner. In Word 2019, the alt text feature is based on AI object recognition to look at visual elements within a document and can identify the type of objects, extract information about them, and provide recommendations based on the context. Inserting shapes. Shapes are predefined objects or graphics elements that you can insert into your document to add visual interest or highlight information. Some shapes are geometric in nature, such as rectangles, circles, triangles, lines, arrows, stars, and more. You can also add a variety of formatting effects to shapes, such as filling color, defining outline colors, shape style, and 3D effects. To insert a shape, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Shapes button in the Illustrations group. A drop-down menu will appear with various shape options. Step 3. Choose the shape that you want. The mouse pointer changes to a plus crosshair-shaped pointer. Step 4. Drag the mouse to draw the image of desired size and then release the mouse button. 3D shapes can be inserted in MS Word 2019 using 3D Models option, present in the Illustrations group under the Insert tab. Adding text. To add text in a shape, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the shape and select Add Text from the shortcut menu. Step 2. The insertion point appears inside the shape. Now, you can type the text, or simply click on the shape and start typing. FactBit. After adding text in a shape, you can change the font size, style, and alignment using the options in the Home tab. Changing Shape's theme. To change the shape theme, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the shape whose theme you want to change. The Shape Format tab will appear under the Drawing Tools when you select the shape. Step 2. Click on the Shape Styles drop-down menu to see the available theme styles. Step 3. Click on the theme style that you want to apply to your shape. Editing a shape. To change the shape design, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the shape that you want to edit. The Shape Format tab will appear when you select the shape. Step 2. In the Insert Shapes group, click on Edit Shape option and choose Change Shape. Step 3. Choose the desired shape. Smart Bit. To delete an inserted image or graphic, select the image and press Delete key or Backspace key from the keyboard. Changing shape's color and outline. To change the shape color and border, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the shape whose color or outline you want to change. The Shape Format tab appears when you select the shape. Step 2. Click on the Shape Fill drop-down menu and select the color, or click on the Shape Outline drop-down menu and select No Outline. Choose the color or change border weight you want to apply to your shape. Fact Bit. After you have finished editing the shape, click outside the shape to apply the changes. Formatting images or shapes. You can add different formatting effects to an image. Some of them are rotating, resizing, and moving images. Let us learn how to do so in simple steps. Resizing a shape. Click on the shape. 8 resizing handles appear on the corners and sides of the shape. Drag a handle inwards to decrease the size of the shape or outwards to increase the size. Rotating a shape. To rotate a shape, click on the shape. You will see a green circle at the top of the shape. Drag the green circle to rotate the shape to the desired angle. Moving a shape. Click on the shape. Hold down the left button and drag the shape to the desired location. You can rotate, resize, or crop shape or image from the Shape Format tab. Inserting icons. Icons are small, graphical symbols used to visually indicate specific concepts. These can be used to draw attention to important sections or key information within the document. Icons inserted in Word are static and cannot be customized or animated. For example, if you are creating a report about weather forecasts, you could use icons such as sun, clouds, raindrops, or snowflakes to represent different weather conditions. To insert an icon, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Icons button in the Illustrations group. The Insert Icons window will appear with various categories of icons. Step 3. Browse through the available icons or use a search bar to type for any specific icon. Step 4. Select the icon, click on Insert button. The selected icon will be inserted at the cursor position in your document. Inserting text box. A text box is a special shape in Word used to hold text that is separate from the rest of the text on a page. It can be used to highlight important information or add captions. You can insert, move, or resize the text box based on your need. To insert a text box, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Click on the Text Box button present in the text group. A drop-down menu showing built-in options for text boxes appears. Step 2. Select the desired text box style by clicking on it. Or Step 1. Click on the Draw text box. Step 2. Hold the left mouse button and drag to draw a text box. You will find a text box drawn on the screen. Edit text box. To edit a text box, follow the given steps. Step 1. Double-click inside the text box. The Shape Format menu will appear. Step 2. Use the various groups in the Shape Format menu to customize the text box. Change shape. Modify the shape of the text box. Shape outline. Adjust the outline of the text box. Text options. Change the font, size, color, and other properties of the text within the text box. Smart Bit. To resize images, shapes, and icons proportionally, maintain the height and width ratio. You can click and drag one of the corner handles while holding the Shift key. Fact Bit. You can resize or reposition the text box by clicking on its border. You will see little square handles around the box when it is selected. Click and drag to resize the box or move it to a new location on the page. Inserting WordArt. The WordArt feature helps you to edit and format text. It allows you to create special and decorative text. With WordArt, you can apply special effects to text, such as shadows, bevels, and 3D rotations to create eye-catching text. WordArt is useful for creating headings, titles, or logos that you want to highlight in your document. To insert WordArt, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Select the WordArt button in the text group. A drop-down menu will open. Step 3. Choose one of the images from the drop-down menu. Each contains a letter A drawn in a WordArt style. Step 4. Click the option you have chosen. A new text box will appear in the document, containing the message, your text here in the style that you choose. Step 5. Replace the sample text with the text that you want. Then drag the text box to place the text where you need it.
Fact Bit. You can use the Drawing Tools and Format tabs on the ribbon to customize the appearance of your WordArt further, inserting symbols and special characters. Word 2019 stores the special characters like mathematical symbols, currency symbols, music notations, and many more that can be inserted in a document apart from those that are on a standard keyboard. To insert a special character, follow the given steps. Step 1. Bring the pointer at the position where you want to insert a special character or symbol. Step 2. Click on the Insert tab. Step 3. In the Symbols group, click on the Symbol option. Select the More Symbols option. The Symbol dialog box will appear. Step 4. Select font of your choice, select the symbol, and click on the Insert button. Click on the Close button to close the dialog box. The selected symbol will be inserted in the document at the cursor's position. Tech Alert: the Get Add-ins feature in Word 2019 allows you to enhance your productivity and simplify your workflow by adding new functions or features directly to the application. These add-ins can help you accomplish tasks more efficiently and save time while working in Word. Chapter Highlights. MS Word allows you to upload images from your computer or add downloaded images. Online pictures can be inserted in MS Word. MS Word allows you to draw different types of shapes such as lines, basic shapes, arrows, flowcharts, and callouts. Icons inserted in Word are static and cannot be customized or animated. You can rotate, resize, or even move an inserted shape. Symbols and special characters can also be inserted in a document.